Hi, little rabbits. It's Miss Wilford. I wanted to go over your week 3 online learning. Please follow the steps that I've outlined on this. It really will make life a lot easier for you this week. It's notice the due dates are condensed. It's a short week this week. We've got a little bit due by tomorrow, and then the rest is due on Thursday. It's short on purpose. Friday is technically a holiday, and we were asked to honor that. Um, so I have everything due by close of business day on Thursday so that you truly can take some time and enjoy the 3-day weekend, I hope. All right, as far as the steps of what's going on this week, the first thing that I want you to do is to follow the steps to create a Kami account. I am going to put a direction sheet on there for you. It's going to look like this. Follow the steps exactly and do this, please, on a computer or laptop. Make sure that you have your parents' permission for whichever computer you're using, and follow the steps to upload Kami. You might be wondering, what is Kami? It is a really fun little online tool that helps you mark up any kind of sheet that I put on. So what I've done is I've uploaded the next grammar page, and what you'll do is when you get on there from Google Classroom, you'll click the blue Kami button. It'll say open with Kami. That's after you've downloaded it. And then you'll work on the grammar page using Kami to label your subjects, verbs, infinitives, etc. I'll also have on Google Classroom your preposition list, and I'll also have your helping verb list as well. So you can see how Kami works for just a moment here. It's going to give you all sorts of, the grammar page will be uploaded for you automatically, and it's going to give you all sorts of tools to mark up the grammar page. And I want you to take some time and play around with it. My two favorite tools are markup and drawing. To show you how markup works, let's say, for example, I want to underline a subject or a verb. What you do is you come over and you gently highlight what you want to underline, and then it puts a little underline mark on it. If I wanted to write an S over this for subject, which yes, you would need to do, then I come over to drawings. This is how I'm doing it. Pick whatever color you want. I honestly don't care. So I'm going to pick a little pink color and put a little S, see, over mother. So you can go through this and mark it up as you see fit. With this first one, it's all infinitives. Remember, that's 2 plus a verb. So you need to go through and mark your infinitives. I recommend, by the way, that you go through and put your infinitives in parentheses first before you do the rest of the grammar page. So what I want for you to do is go through and take your time and truly play with all of this. Another feature, by the way, is text box. If you get on text box and click that, again, whatever color you want, let's go green this time, you can go over the top of the little thing you want to mark up, and then you can actually use your computer's keypad and put like an S or a V using that too. So all sorts of different options. I want you to take some time and work with this. Okay, so that is the grammar page and Kami. Now, you'll notice, by the way, that I said that we're going to get together this Thursday as a class and have a Zoom meeting. That's my first experiment with that. Hopefully it will go well. If what would in a perfect world happen is that you have the grammar page finished, and then when we get to the Zoom meeting, you're able to just hang out on Zoom, say hi to all of us. Can't wait to see you, by the way. But say hi to all of us and then ask whatever questions you want on the grammar page, because I'll be there to answer them. So that's my plan with that. I said see the Zoom meeting schedule below. I'm going to scroll down here. Notice that I have all of your Zoom meetings sitting there ready to go with the links, the meeting ID, and the password to get in. With this being our first time, doing this, I anticipate, a few hiccups, but I'm honestly not worried about it. If, we'll just take it as it comes. You know me, go with the flow. All right. The next thing that I want you to do is we're getting closer and closer to being done with the paragraphs for your essay. What I've done on this is I've created, let me get to, there we go. I've created the next step. I went ahead and filled in the quotes again, and this time I went ahead and filled in my commentary. One of the reasons I did that is a few of you seem to be struggling still with commentary. I wanted to give you some examples of commentary and how it would relate to the quote. Notice that the commentary for each quote comes back up to explaining why the quote meets the topic sentence. So I did the commentary for you, and then what you need to do this week is notice there's a new box down here called counterclaim. The persuasive essay needs to have a counterclaim. We're pretending that the prompt asked for you to give counterclaims, and so what I want you to do is simply give an opposing view for each one of the topic sentences. I went ahead and did this first one for you. Our first topic sentence up here was video games can be a valuable and enjoyable form of exercise. So the counterclaim, or the opposite view of that, is that people just, notice I said the opposing view is that people just sit still for hours while gaming and don't get any form of exercise. Many, though, can get lots of movement and physical activity if they choose the right games. So what you're doing there is you're addressing the opposing view. You're showing that there's another side, but you're still refuting it and kind of arguing it. Then the final thing I want you to do is, as always, give a concluding sentence to the paragraph. The concluding sentence is a restatement of the topic sentence up at the top. Notice this is in that purple color, as is the topic sentence. So down here, you're just restating the topic sentence. Video gaming can therefore give a person great opportunities for movement through entertaining forms of exercise. Just restated this up at the top. Notice I use different verbs. Okay, and adjectives. What I want for you to do, I've done the first one for you, so number one is already done, is I want you to go through and do your counterclaims and your concluding sentences for the rest of the paragraphs. Now, if any of you want to use your own quotes and your commentary, please email me on the Gmail account, and I will return your paragraphs to you, and you can use all of your own. If you don't care, then you're more than welcome to use mine. I've put that together for you. Okay, so those are the two assignments for this week. And then we have our meetings on Thursday. Hope to see you there. If for some reason you can't meet on Thursday, that's not a problem to me. It really is optional if you want help with your grammar sheet and want to say hi to us. So hope to see you then. I love you very much. Take care and be safe, sweethearts. Bye-bye.